In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly Chrome extension. Think of this extension as your quick access control panel for scheduling. It streamlines the essentials so you can review meetings, share booking links, and make small adjustments without switching away from what you're doing in the browser. Start by clicking on the extension icon in your Chrome toolbar. A compact window opens, giving you a familiar Calendly view and a smaller, easy-to-scan layout. If you're juggling tasks, this lightweight panel helps you stay on top of scheduling in seconds. Begin with the Meetings tab. Here you can see your meetings at a glance so you always know what's next. Click any meeting to pull up details, then use the built-in controls to cancel or reschedule directly. When you reschedule, take a moment to confirm the new date and time before you finalize. If you cancel, add a brief, clear note explaining why, so attendees aren't left guessing. Once you confirm an action, the extension applies the change and sends the relevant update, which keeps everyone aligned while you continue working in your current tab. If the list is long, scroll to review upcoming items and use this view as your single source of truth for what's on your calendar. Next, head to the Scheduling tab. This is where your event types live, the different kinds of sessions you offer, like quick check-ins or longer consultations. Each event type has a shareable link. When you need someone to book with you, click to copy the link directly from this tab. It's immediately on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, chat, or document. A quick tip: when sharing a link, include a short sentence about what the event is and how long it runs, so people know exactly what they're booking. Then open the Contacts tab to see your contacts. This helps you keep recent names and familiar connections front and center while you're working. It's a handy way to confirm who you're meeting with and keep communication consistent across messages and invites. Finally, if you realize you need a new option for scheduling, maybe a different duration or purpose, you can create new event types directly from the extension. Launching a new one on the spot means you capture the idea in the moment and make it available right away for future bookings. That's the flow. Click the extension, manage meetings from the Meetings tab, share links from the Scheduling tab, check your contacts, and create new event types as needed. Keep the extension pinned for one-click access and enjoy faster, cleaner scheduling right inside your browser.